In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Crypto.com on your desktop or PC for 2023. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can easily access the Crypto.com platform right from your desktop. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to open a web browser on your desktop or PC. It doesn't matter whether you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use Google Chrome as it's a popular option that supports the installation of web applications. Now navigate to the Crypto.com homepage. You can do this by typing Crypto.com into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. This will direct you to the official website. And remember, it's always crucial to ensure you're on the genuine site to keep your information safe and secure. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. Here you'll find three vertical dots. This icon is essentially your browser's menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with multiple options ranging from opening a new tab to accessing your browsing history. In this menu, look carefully for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This option is usually grouped with other useful tools for browser management. Clicking on it will expand a submenu with further actions you can take. The next step involves clicking on Install Page as App. This feature is part of a nifty service that both Google Chrome and other compatible browsers offer, allowing users to utilize web services as standalone applications. By selecting this, you'll be effectively installing the Crypto.com page on your desktop as an independent application, giving you quick access with just a double click. After this, your computer might ask you to confirm the installation or create a shortcut for the app. Depending on your operating system, follow the prompts and agree to the installation process. It's a straightforward step with prompts ensuring all permissions are appropriately granted. Once the process is complete, you should see a new icon on your desktop. This is your shortcut to launching Crypto.com directly. You'll find it incredibly convenient to have the platform at your fingertips without continually opening a browser search. And that's it. You're now all set to use Crypto.com as if it were any other app on your computer. This ensures that not only is it easy to open, but also that it runs more efficiently because it's dedicated solely to the tasks you'll be performing on the platform. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on downloading the Crypto.com app on your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Happy crypto trading!